would you like to give a small advice for our audience, Melissa? Like, what would you like to tell them about traditional businesses or online businesses?
You need that. This is one thing that I based on my experience being on the traditional business and the digital business, it's a matter of faith.
Hmm.
You surrender everything to God. You know, like I said, me and my husband doesn't have that much money. We took the money to get started from a loan. We have a little savings to start for buying to supplies for our dishes for the menu.
Hmm.
A little savings. But what we have is a strong faith.
Yeah.
When I have the digital business, I am not a tech savvy. I don't even know how to take a screenshot on my phone. Taking a
Yeah.
screenshot on my phone, I would still ask my 14-year-old daughter how to take a screenshot on my phone because I don't know how. I don't have a laptop at home. I have a laptop, but it's so outdated because everything is on phone now. Why are you going to
Mhm.
need a
Yeah.
laptop? I mean, I have a computer at a restaurant, but that is just for all sales. But for office works again, for like that, we started with whatever I have,
Yeah.
and yeah, and like I said, do not rush things. Do not think that if you started a business now, you will earn next year or the next year. The,
Yeah.
the traditional business, even the digital business, is not a walk in the park. You really have
True.
to put your effort, your commitment, your discipline, but always it's so easy because they said, find your passion and then build a business. The first step is always the hardest. Like if you
True.
ask yourself, what am I passionate about? You would so like there's lots of things that you wanted to do, but you don't know which one will work. The digital business, when I started this, I am very, very, very skeptical. There's so
Hmm.
many questions in my mind, but I started it, I got my ID as an independent business owner, but I never posted anything. We are leveraging social media, but I never posted anything on my social media unless I know the business.
Hmm.
Because just like the restaurant, if you, Kavya, you wanted to have a restaurant and you seek from me and I don't even know how to run a restaurant, what am I going to tell you? Right? So you
Correct.
really have
Yeah.
to study the business before
Yeah.
you get
You'll have to
starts,
learn the
even if
skill.
it's messy.
Correct. Yeah.
Yes, you have to learn. You really have to learn. But like I said, first step is always the hardest. But if you
Yeah.
don't take the first step, you will never see what's on the other side.
Yeah. For sure.
So, like I said, just like us, we are offering a free webinar. This is free. If you register on Cavia's website, you just give your name, your email address. If you register, she will send you a free link to watch a free webinar. That is just to give you a glimpse on what we are actually doing. If you are not going to take the chance to take that, it's not risky at all because you are just going to watch a video, but you are actually giving yourself a chance to see the opportunity on why we are doing this. Maybe this is also something that you are looking for. So yeah, take the chance, don't be scared, and see what's
Yeah.
best for you and for your family.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for that, Melissa. And like you said, jump in with faith, right? Like you can't know everything. You can't know that if you can be successful or not. But if you only give it a try, that is when you'll know if you can be successful or not. And you have to give yourself a chance, right? Give yourself a chance, jump in with faith, learn more about the business. You don't have to just jump in just tomorrow not knowing anything, right? We provide you workshop. Go through the workshop, understand things, and you can connect with us. We can give you more information. Then you have to take the next step, right? You can't be stuck somewhere like thinking like, should I do it or not? So jump in with faith, and you will learn everything as you go, right? We all started from zero, so we didn't know everything before we started. So it's all about learning, and you will get there, right? So yeah, thank you so much for that, Melissa, and thank you for your time. I'm sure our audience would have got a lot of insights about the business, for sure. Like you said, you can't get result just in a year, like you said, but there are people expecting results just from the next month. Right? So that's not how
Right.
businesses work. But again, in our business, that it is a possibility, and it depends on
It
how fast you
is.
can learn, how fast you can implement the skills and everything. So it really depends on you how fast you do it, right? So yeah, thank you for that, Melissa, and we'll keep in touch. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining. We'll meet again next week with another traditional business owner, and we'll give you a lot more insights. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
Kavya.
Melissa.
Thank you, everyone.